Hello my beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're talking about something super exciting, natural antibiotics. Yes, there are herbs right in your kitchen that can help fight bacteria, boost your immune system, and keep your family healthy. Let's get into it. What are natural antibiotics? When we say natural antibiotics, we're talking about herbs and spices that have antibacterial and antiviral properties. Long before pharmacies, people used plants to heal everything, from cuts and colds to stomach bugs. And guess what? Science is catching up and confirming what grandmas knew all along. Let's explore top 5 natural antibiotic herbs everyone can find in his kitchen. Number 1. Garlic. This is my number 1. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that fights bacteria like magic. To activate it, crush or chop it and let it sit for 10 minutes before eating. I love it raw in honey or added to soup, it clears up everything. Number 2. Ginger. Great for inflammation and fighting infections. It's amazing when you're sick, just boil it in water, add lemon and honey for a healing tea. Ginger also helps your digestion, which is key when you're on a wellness journey. Number 3. Turmeric. This golden spice has curcumin, a powerful natural antibiotic and anti-inflammatory. Use it in curries or golden milk. For better absorption, always mix it with a bit of black pepper. Number 4. Thyme. Amazing for respiratory infections, especially coughs and colds. You can brew thyme tea or even steam it for sinuses. It's strong against bacteria and very soothing. Number 5. Oregano. Oregano oil is next level powerful. Just a few drops, always diluted. Can fight infections. It's also great for the immune system. If you don't like the oil, you can use dried oregano in food, it still helps. Now let's see how to use herbs safely. Now, a quick but important reminder, natural doesn't mean risk-free. These herbs are powerful. Always start with small amounts. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or on medication, check with a health professional first. As conclusion, nature is full of healing gifts. Try adding these herbs into your daily meals or teas and see how your body feels. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more natural living and homemaking tips. See you next time, love you from my heart.